If you want to buy the best Hamilton Beach air fryer, then you're in the right place. Out of all the different products on the market, I've narrowed down the best options to a top 5 list of Hamilton Beach air fryer toaster oven reviews. Let's see which products made the cut. Links to each air fryer are in the description box below. This versatile, popular appliance offers great value for those seeking an all-in-one solution for toasting, baking, and air frying. You'll love the convenience of the Hamilton Beach Easy Reach air fryer toaster oven. Its roll-top door slides up and out of the way, giving you easy access to your food. This unique design also helps keep the door clean since it's not directly under the food while you're reaching in. The oven's spacious interior can accommodate a variety of dishes. You can toast 6 slices of bread at once, bake a 12-inch pizza, or use the 9-inch by 11-inch baking pan for casseroles, and more. With 2 rack positions, you have flexibility in how you arrange your food. Air frying capability sets this model apart from basic toaster ovens. The SureCrisp convection technology circulates hot air around your food, creating crispy results with little to no oil. It's perfect for fries, chicken wings, and vegetables. You'll enjoy the taste of fried food without the guilt or mess of deep frying. 4 cooking functions give you plenty of options. You can toast, air fry, bake, or broil with 1400 watts of power. The 30-minute timer with a stay-on setting helps you keep track of cooking time. An automatic shutoff feature provides peace of mind if you forget to turn it off. Cleanup is a breeze with the slide-out crumb tray. The stainless steel finish looks sleek and modern on your countertop. While it may be slower than some conventional toaster ovens, the versatility and convenience make it a worthwhile addition to your kitchen. Next up on my list of Hamilton Beach air fryer reviews, we have the Hamilton Beach 3.7 quart air fryer, which is the only traditional basket air fryer in this review. Although it's not that spacious, you'll love how quickly this Hamilton Beach air fryer can whip up your favorite foods. With its powerful 1,400 watt heating system, you can have crispy fries or juicy chicken on your plate in no time. The best part? There's no need to wait for preheating, so you can start cooking right away. The digital control panel features 6 pre-programmed settings, making it a breeze to cook common foods like French fries, chicken, seafood, and even baked goods. You can also set your own time and temperature up to 400 degrees, giving you full control over your cooking process. With a generous 2.5-liter capacity, this air fryer can handle fairly good-sized portions. You'll appreciate the versatility it offers too, allowing you to fry, bake, and roast a wide variety of foods. Plus, the non-stick food basket is removable and easy to clean by hand, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. The sleek black design of this air fryer will complement any kitchen decor. Its compact size, measuring 12.5 inches by 14.5 inches by 12.5 inches, makes it suitable for most countertops. You'll find that this Hamilton Beach air fryer delivers on its promise of crispy, delicious food with little to no oil. Whether you're cooking vegetables, steak, or baked goods, you can expect evenly cooked results that rival traditional frying methods, but with a healthier twist. Checking in at number 3 on my best Hamilton Beach air fryer toaster oven list is the popular Hamilton Beach SureCrisp toaster oven air fryer combo. I really think this versatile 4-in-1 appliance offers excellent value for those seeking a compact air fryer toaster oven combo. You get 4 cooking functions in one space-saving appliance: air frying, toasting, baking, and broiling. This versatility allows you to prepare a wide variety of dishes without cluttering your countertop. One of the standout features is the SureCrisp air fry convection function. It circulates hot air around your food, creating that coveted crispy exterior without the need for excessive oil. You can enjoy healthier versions of your favorite fried foods like chicken wings, French fries, and even vegetables. The oven's 4-slice capacity provides ample space for most cooking needs. You can easily fit a 9-inch pizza, a 3-pound chicken, or use an 8-inch by 8-inch baking pan. This makes it perfect for small families or couples looking to prepare quick meals without heating up a full-size oven. temperature control ranges from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you precise control over your cooking. The adjustable thermostat ensures even cooking without hot spots, so you can expect consistent results every time. Whether you're toasting bread or baking a small batch of cookies, you'll appreciate the accuracy. Included accessories enhance the oven's functionality. You get a metal air fry basket, bake pan, and broil rack, along with a slide-out crumb tray for easy cleaning. These thoughtful additions mean you're ready to start cooking right out of the box with no need for additional purchases. Now for the runner-up, the second best Hamilton Beach air fryer that you can buy, and the best high-end option for those wanting to go all out on a new air fryer toaster oven. The Hamilton Beach Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven packs a punch with its 1,800 watt power. You'll appreciate the faster cooking times and energy efficiency it offers. This robust appliance can handle a variety of tasks from air frying to baking, making it a true kitchen workhorse. With 10 different cooking functions at your fingertips, you're equipped to tackle any culinary challenge. The intuitive digital control panel remembers your last settings, streamlining your cooking process. You'll find yourself experimenting with new recipes and techniques thanks to the versatility this appliance provides. Space is no issue with this toaster oven. It comfortably fits a 12-inch pizza, up to 3 pounds of chicken wings, or 6 slices of toast. You can easily prepare full meals for your family without turning on your main oven. The included accessories, a metal mesh basket, bake pan, and broil rack, further expand your cooking options. The air fry mode is a standout feature. You'll achieve crispy, golden results on foods like French fries, chicken wings, and vegetables using little to no oil. The powerful air circulation ensures even cooking, delivering restaurant-quality results right in your kitchen. Cleanup is a breeze with this appliance. The removable crumb tray catches drips and crumbs, making maintenance simple. The stainless steel exterior not only looks sleek, but is also easy to wipe clean. You'll appreciate how this appliance keeps your kitchen tidy while expanding your cooking capabilities. So, what is the best Hamilton Beach air fryer toaster oven that you can buy? Based on its reliability and versatility, as well as the affordable price tag, I'd have to say that the Hamilton Beach 6-in-1 Sure Crisp Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo is the best Hamilton Beach air fryer toaster oven for most people. This versatile 6-in-1 appliance is a great choice for those seeking a multifunctional countertop oven with air frying capabilities. The Hamilton Beach Sure Crisp Air Fry and Grilling Oven packs a punch with its 1,700 watts of power. You'll find yourself reaching for this appliance time and time again thanks to its 6 digital cooking modes: air fry, grill, bake, broil, toast, and pizza. The high searing temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit on the non-stick grill plate lets you enjoy outdoor grill flavors all year round, right in your kitchen. Air frying enthusiasts will appreciate the Sure Crisp Air Fry mode. This feature circulates heated air around your food, resulting in a crispy exterior and tender interior. You'll be able to achieve that coveted fried texture with little to no oil, making it a healthier alternative to traditional deep frying. The oven's large capacity is a standout feature. With 0.88 cubic feet of space, you can easily cook family-sized meals. It's spacious enough to accommodate an 8-pound turkey, a 12-inch pizza, or 6 burgers at once. This makes it perfect for everyday cooking as well as entertaining guests. Cleanup is a breeze with this Hamilton Beach model. The grill plate features a built-in handle for easy removal and pour spouts to discard drippings. Both the grill plate and the included air fry basket are non-stick and dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. You'll find the temperature control impressive, with a range from 170 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This wide range allows for precise cooking across various recipes. The oven also includes a timer with a stay-on function, giving you flexibility in your cooking times. Whether you're toasting bread or slow cooking a roast, you'll have the control you need for perfect results. And with that said, I really hope my video helped you to pick the best Hamilton Beach Toaster Oven Air Fryer for you. Again, the links to each of these products are at the top of the description box. Please feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.